Focus, determination and practice. This 90-minute game has all the drama and heart-pounding action. Get on board and explore the science behind every stunning kick, pass, shoot and more. The journey to simplify all your lessons begins. So let's kick off with Extramarks. For a footballer to score or help score for his team, the selection of the right gear holds a lot of importance. Some of the most important football gears include boots and jerseys that have undergone a complete transformation over the recent years. Initially, people wore boots made of leather, which was soft and would increase in weight when wet. Gradually, people started switching to synthetic polymers like polyurethane and carbon fibers. They make a boot water-resistant, extremely light, durable and very strong. They not only protect the feet but also enhance the response time and swiftness of a player on the field. In the past, football shirts were made from cotton or woolen materials. These were warm and soaked a lot of sweat, making them uncomfortable to wear for a match. By the 1990s, polyester shirts came into existence. Polyester is a long chain-like polymer formed by the polymerization of alcohol and carboxylic acid. Polyethylene terephthalate, often abbreviated as PET, is the most widely used polyester material. It absorbs a lot less water, so it's less likely to get soaked in sweat during a football game, which makes it more comfortable for the player. Choosing the right boot and jersey material allows a footballer to feel at ease during a game. The outward aspects of this amazing game are not everything. It is, after all, the player who kicks the ball. Do you know which body parts enable a player to kick a ball?